Hey, welcome back to FX Pro Marketing Visuals and Sounds FX Review. Gain an unfair advantage over your competitors with professionally crafted pro marketing visuals and sound FX. Start earning from your clients today with this comprehensive bundle. No special software required nor design skill needed while creating professional quality marketing videos, presentations, outros and intros in 3 simple steps. Newbie friendly. No design skills/additional software required. Ready-to-use massive template collection. Scalable designs into unlimited niches. Create gorgeous marketing videos and graphics in 3 simple steps. Render and publish videos with 0 rendering fees. Commercial license included. Use for clients' projects. Step-by-step training to one-time payment. Get ProStudioFX for $17.80, early bird. Brand new all-in-one comprehensive digital marketing media creation bundle. Say goodbye to overly expensive graphics designers and save thousands of dollar graphics cost with ProStudioFX Ultimate Pro Marketing Visuals and Sound FX bundle. Focus on getting more clients and increase your earnings with ready-to-go professional marketing templates with 0 learning curve. Maximize your reach and tap into unlimited number of markets/niches. Create breathtaking marketing graphics/videos to wow your clients, all in 3 simple steps. Get ready to be blown away. The ultimate marketing visual for 2019. The world's most comprehensive ultimate pro marketing visuals and sound FX bundle. Easily create highly engaging professional marketing videos and graphics that grab your viewers' attention, get more leads, and skyrocket your sales without any complicated software. Tap into a huge collection of over 100+ PowerPoint marketing templates and 500+ professional custom studio-produced sounds to take your marketing game to the next level. Newbie friendly. Anyone can create professional marketing videos and graphics in 3 simple steps. 0 learning curve. No complicated video editing. No over-expensive video software. Starting today, you can create your very own branded, highly engaging and captivating marketing videos and graphics using only PowerPoint. Create professional visual assets in 3 simple steps. Step number 1. Pick a template. Step number 2. Edit the template. Step number 3. Publish. With ProStudioFX, and graphics is a breeze. See all templates using the link in the description. Thanks for watching.